Today, we witness a challenging and a rare case in the surgery department. A 22-year-old woman with 8 months pregnant comes with a chief complaint of abdominal lump in the left lumbar region. The patient, into her third trimester, she noticed a small mass in her abdomen that enlarged into a lump. But what made her case interesting? Her past history. She had undergone 2 surgeries for the same reason, one at the age of 13 and one at the age of 20. And now at the age of 22, the issue returned, but this time during the pregnancy. On further history taking, she also reported weight loss over past few months. After clinical evaluation and investigation, she was diagnosed with the desmoid tumor. Desmoid tumors are rare, highly aggressive fibrous tumor that doesn't metastasize but has a high recurrence rate. The biggest challenge, she had a pregnancy loss before and no living children. This means that the pregnancy and the tumor has to be managed with the extreme caution. There is a dilemma calculation has been created कि सर्जरी पहले करें कि डिलीवरी का वेट करें. Surgery in pregnancy always carries the risk, not only for the mother but also for the fetus also. This case highlights on an important lesson that in medicine, every decision requires balancing between both risks and the benefit. What do you think should be the next step? Write me in the comments.